Well, joining us is Leanne Hawes, CEO of the Lloydminster and District Co-op. Leanne, give us a sense of how the co-op has handled 2020 from a business side during the pandemic and the challenges that came with it.
So 2020, obviously, with COVID, proved a lot of, we did have a lot of challenges in a lot of different sectors. Certainly our food and pharmacy sectors were very busy, and we made some quick changes there with all of the regulations and protocols that were coming into place. So things, again, immediately, we did the plexiglass barriers, we did the directional arrows, we added staff in with for further sanitization efforts, things like that. So that was a quick change we made right away. In the other sectors, they weren't immune to the economic pressures of oil and gas. So certainly our bulk petroleum, propane, and the gas bar sectors, again, nobody was traveling. So we had to make some changes there as well. It sort of was a bit unbalanced in our organization in that a few of our commodities were very, very busy and some of them were very slow. But we worked our best, I think, with first and foremost to serve the members and to keep everybody safe and healthy.
You mentioned the members there. How have co-op members and the staff handle all the changes that had to be made and continue to be made by health officials?
Yeah, so I mean, our members are amazing. They're kind, they're friendly. They treat our staff with respect, come in and like to see the familiar faces that they see all the time, and even behind the mask, I think they can still feel the smile. And in terms of staff, I mean, our staff has been so resilient, and I'm so thankful, and I'm so lucky to have the team that we have, and constantly trying to rally behind them and give them the supports that they need and the PPE pieces that they need to continue to do their jobs and again service our members safely.
Let's talk about some of the highlights this year. I know one of the big ones was the opening of the North End gas bar, which was a huge one for you guys. But in your eyes, what else has been a big highlight for the company?
Yeah, so we are really excited that we were able to continue that whole project at the North End and get that safely open this year as well. So the numbers have been what we thought they would be, I'm going to say, with the implications of COVID. So again, travel's been down a little bit, but still really happy with it. We've heard a lot of really good things from the members in terms of the location, in terms of the service and the offerings. And then we were happy again to partner with Tim Hortons out there and bring that service as well. So it was really good. A few of the other highlights that we were able to do in 2020 as a result of sort of pivoting our business and quick action wasn't just the North Stop gas bar, which we're really proud of, but also things like curbside delivery for grocery. That was a program we had to put together very quickly. We've also have a program in our pharmacy right now where you can text in your prescriptions. Also, just trying to make those IT infrastructure and get into the digital world of which we obviously are in.
And lastly, Leanne, as an organization, what are some important goals for 2021 for the co-op? And is there anything that the public should keep an eye out for heading into the new year?
So, I mean, I think our goal for 2021 is a few different things. I mean, it's again to keep up with the health and safety of the members and the team. And then secondly, to continue to push value for our membership and listen to our membership and take that feedback to heart and make some changes. So we do have an announcement coming up in January about a program that is going to be a direct result as a member, as from member feedback. So that's important. And then I think in other areas, as a cooperative principle of care and concern for the community, I think we're still looking for ways to get involved in the community and continue to give back. And despite the 2020 slowdown, we did have a lot of opportunities to do that. We were able to still continue with the Spread a Little Love gift campaign this year. And we heard from the seniors care facilities that it was needed more this year than ever. And the 700 gifts that we did give out brought a lot of comfort and connection and joy to those senior citizens. So I'm happy that we were able to do that. We did a fundraising campaign with a Lloyd exhibition. Again, another facility that is really struggling right now with the lack of being able to have the events and things like that. So 2021 will be more of finding community partners and outlets for ways to support.
Well, Leanne, I really appreciate your time. Thank you very much for joining us today.